So hey guys, welcome to the EduTech Lab. So today I will perform basic activity related to the physics. So I have one equipment and the name of this equipment is called the pressure pump. And how it works and what is the basic principle about it. So let's discuss. So now firstly I will just fill this bottle with water. And now connect the lid of this pump at the top of this bottle. Now when I just press the switch at the top of this pump, then you can see the no mist come out from this nozzle because the pressure inside this bottle just is equal to the atmospheric pressure. Now firstly I will just increase the pressure inside this bottle with the help of this piston. Now when I just apply the force on this piston and the work is done on the system, the work done on the system just convert the pressure energy and inside this bottle just increase the pressure, and the increased pressure inside this bottle just apply the force at the surface of this water and the water just rise into the tube inside this bottle, you can see. And again now when I just press the switch at the top of this pump, then you can see the mist come out from this nozzle. So why the mist come out from this nozzle? Because the pressure inside this bottle just is greater than the atmospheric pressure, and the mist come out from this nozzle until the pressure inside this bottle just balance to the atmospheric pressure, you can see. Then you can see the almost totally mist is not coming out from this nozzle. It means the pressure inside this water just is equal to the atmospheric pressure. So this is the activity relative to the physics. So thanks for watching. So please like and subscribe.